This well has been orphaned. It was drilled, reportedly abandoned. It had gas in it, significant amounts of gas, and they ran off and left it. And so there is gas actually venting from this well now. It's a danger to the public. It's a danger to the environment if there was a fire as a result of this gas igniting or something like that. So we want to plug this so that it no longer poses a threat to the public or the environment. Put this wellhead on here. It's got gaskets and rubbers and things like that to prevent gas coming up around the pipe, the 2-inch tubing, and the casing here. And these valves on either side here allow what's in the annulus, between the space between the 2-inch and the 4-inch. In this case, there's gas comes up here, and we're venting it to this tank here. The well was originally drilled to 1,400 feet. We found it at about 1,250, and it takes typically moving the rig on and moving the rig off a week.